Hey guys, welcome back to Fit at the 50. In today's workout, we'll get started in about 20 seconds. Today we have a nice standing heavy dumbbell core workout. No reason to get down on the ground. It is going to be challenging. We have 45-second work intervals, 15-second rest intervals. It's getting started in 10 seconds. The preview is on my right, on your left. The clock is over there. You guys get ready to go. We're doing dumbbell swings. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And I want you to get a full rotation on this. And then push the dumbbell back. Full rotation, push it back. Keep it under control, however. There we go. We're getting right down to it today, guys. Hey, by the way, this is video number 603. I've been on this YouTube space for over 5 years right now. Monday and Thursday, we have never, ever missed an upload. So if you look at the workout on Monday and Thursdays with me, pretty much guaranteed that I'll be here. All right, 15 more seconds left. Keep on swinging a dumbbell. Heavy dumbbell workout today. Functional deep core. That's what we got going on. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Put it down for a few seconds. Shake those arms out. All right, now we're going around the waist, nice and easy. Keep it control. About halfway through, you can switch directions. It's up to you. You can start to the left and to the right, whatever works for you. Ready, go. 3, 2, 1, and just bring it back, bring it around. Try not to drop it. I'm gonna do my best not to drop it, guys. All my videos are filmed in one take, and sometimes, you know what? Just like you're at home, then dumbbell just kind of squirts out of the way and drops down to the ground. Just watch your toes. It's heavy dumbbell workout. I'm using a 25-pound dumbbell today. Found this gonna be challenging enough for me. I'm switching directions. We got 20 seconds left. Keep it up. Keep moving, keep moving. 10 seconds, let's go. Don't stop. Control that dumbbell at all times. That's the whole purpose of today's workout. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, now we're swinging that dumbbell again. I used my right hand before. Now I'm doing the left hand swings. 10 seconds. Let's get going. Get ready, remember. Bring that dumbbell up and full swing all the way through. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Boom. Oh yeah, there we go. Stop it right here. Push it back a little bit. Boom. Nice functional deep core, like I said. Love doing sit-ups and leg raises, but sometimes, you know, moving in different planes, different directions is great for us. I'm 54. Mobility's starting to go little by little, and I want to keep it going as best as I can for as long as I can. So let's go. Ten seconds left. Keep going. Yep, I'm feeling those obliques. Pulling and pushing. 3, 2, 1, and put the dumbbell between your legs as we are going to do some deadlifts. Alternating single dumbbell deadlift, nice and easy. All right, keep it under control. Brace that core as you pick up and lower that dumbbell. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up, down, switch arms right away. Up, down, switch, up, down. Brace that core, up and down. Let's go, 30 seconds left. Keep it up. 20 seconds. Keep moving with me. Come on. No repeat today. Yes, we're alternating sides, so I guess technically we're repeating a little bit. But for most part, no repeat workout. We're definitely not getting down on the ground. We're doing this bend over thing a lot though. 3, 2, 1. Last one, and down on the ground. All right, now we're going to halos. Ceiling's a little low here. I am going to get a little closer to the camera. Hopefully you can still see me. And try not to hit the ceiling. Ready? 3, nice and slow control. 2, 1, and let's go. Nice big circles. And then reverse it. As big of a circle as you can get. Keep it all moving under control. Looking good. There we go. Keep going. 25 seconds left. We're moving right through this today, guys. 10 minutes of core, functional core, as I like to call it. Keep it up. Less than 10 seconds, 5 seconds left or so. 2, 1, and put the dumbbell down on the ground. Now we're going to march. You're going to rack that dumbbell right here and keep it nice and steady as you can. Always bracing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dumbbell rack, then march. Keep it steady. Nice and slow. And dumbbell's trying to pull us to one side. We're not going to let it. High knees, nice slow march. Keep it right here. 25 seconds left, keep it up. 20 seconds. Keep going. 10 seconds, we got this, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, and relax. You can just keep on holding onto that dumbbell. That's all I'm gonna do. All right, now we're doing between the leg swings. We did the right rack, don't worry, we'll get around to the left one. Between the leg swing, the preview is up on the screen. 45 seconds, it's gonna be our cardio part. Ready? 2, 1, and let's go. Between the legs and up. Down and up. Down, up. You'll get in the rhythm of it if you're not there already. There we go. Boom. Power through, there you go. Nice conditioning work along with core. Favorite type of workout, I gotta be truthful here. Love conditioning workouts. Get you in shape, get you healthy, get you fitter, and get you jacked at the same time if that's what you're looking for. Even though this channel is not about that. 2, 1, and relax. Let's still keep on holding on to this dumbbell. All right, we did a march on the right. Now we're gonna, well, at least for me, that was on the right. Now I'm gonna switch to the left shoulder. Rack the dumbbell, and guess what? Start marching. 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 1. Beautiful. 2, 1, 2. Keep it under control. Try to step down in the same spot you took off at. Keep it up. 20 seconds left. We got this. 10. Keep marching. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, I'm gonna put this down. I've been holding on this thing for a long time. All right, 2 exercises left, 2 minutes left. Wood chopper left, wood chopper right. Start whatever side you want to start on. I don't care as long as you chop with me. You guys ready to go? Grab that dumbbell and let's go. 1, nice and control. 2, 3, there we go. 4. I don't know why I'm counting. I got a clock in front of my face. Let's go, come on. 1. Oh yeah, this is getting heavy. Perfect, that's exactly, I hope what you were looking for. That's what I was looking for. I always say my workouts are your workouts. I'm working out with you. I'm struggling. I'm feeling that core, but I'm not stopping. So come on with me. 10 seconds left. Then we'll take a break and we'll do the other side. And then we'll be done. We got this. Let's go. 1, 2, last 1, 3, and relax. Dumbbell down. Whew. All right, one more. This microphone's starting to get unglued from my chest. That's okay, as long as it doesn't fall off. There you go. Other side, and let's go. 1. Once again, I started counting. Just habit, I think. Been on here for so long, half my workouts, I say, 25 reps, so I'm used to counting. The other half, I will have a clock on the wall like this one does. More conditioning, more cardio work, more core work combined into one exercise. Come on. Less than 20 seconds left, guys. We got this. 5, 3, 2, and 1, and dumbbell down on the ground. Guys, thank you for joining me tonight. Guys and girls, men and women, whatever. Thank you for joining me today, Fit After 50. This was our 10-minute deep core challenging single dumbbell workout. Don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for over 5 years right now. This is workout 603 for a full video. Have never missed an upload. And I always say, consistency pays off. Once again, thanks for joining me today, Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.